Hey y'all, what's up? I'm here to share with you guys a SHEIN sexy haul. I'm really excited about this one. I already tried the looks on, but I just want to go through them with you one by one. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, you guys, if you like the hair, I do have a review up on this. This hair is from Amazon and it is super affordable. I will leave a link down below if you want to grab this hair off of Amazon. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I think it's best to start with the accessories and then we can go into the clothing. I was excited about the accessories this time, particularly this necklace. I think this is great for anybody that's going to prom during this prom season. It's a choker that has you know, rhinestones on it and little droplets. It's just very, very stunning and very dramatic and over the top. So I think it's perfect for prom season if you want to check that out. Now, I didn't get any earrings to match it, but I think these earrings come in silver as well, and I think they would be the perfect match. I love them in this gold bronzy shade because I wear more gold than silver, to be honest, but I think it would also look really great with that chain if they were in silver. Another pair of earrings that I got are these little triangles. They're very dainty and slight, but I still think they're really, really beautiful and still definitely catch the eye, even though they're not too dramatic. The bag that I wore, let me slide over so we can put the clips in. The bag that I wore with this silver chain is this white puffy silver silver handle bag. I really like the silver handle on this. At first it was given like casual, so I'm like, is this too casual? But when you put it with the silver jewelry, I think it really does read like fancy and cute and like a cute going out clutch. And it is small, but it definitely fits enough. It fits your phone in it, your lip gloss, you know, the essentials, some gum, and a small perfume. Pretty much just the essentials that you would need going out. So definitely love this bag. I believe this bag also comes in several different colors. Bag I wanted to show was this one. This is my favorite bag of the haul. I absolutely love it. I realized I didn't necessarily get a outfit that will go perfectly with this, but I'm still definitely going to style this bag because I'm obsessed. I love it. It's so cute. It's the perfect size and the color is so different for me. I don't wear a lot of blue. I kind of steer clear of blue. I don't know what my issue is with blue, but I'm trying to force myself to get more into it, and I bought a couple of I was sent a couple of blue pieces in this haul, so I'm very excited to be adding a little more blue into my wardrobe. This straw bag, and it does have this drawstring compartment on the inside to where it does close your items inside so you don't have to worry about things falling out, which is a nice you know, add-on, because bags like this that I just opened, sometimes, you know, they'll spill in the car or whatever and you're left picking stuff up off the floor. So definitely love the style on this bag. Orange is always my color for the summer, so this summer is no exception. I will be rocking plenty of orange. Let's hop over to the shoes. I also didn't buy an outfit that matched these shoes perfectly, but these shoes were too cute not to show, so I definitely just plopped them on with a black dress. Love the lace up of these shoes. I used to lace my lace up shoes all the way up and like all the way to like my calves and stuff, but I find that they slide down too much and it's just uncomfortable. So now I just wrap them around my ankles, and I really like how these look like wrapped that way. Now, at first I thought these were going to be like a very striking lime, but these are actually kind of like a soft green, almost closer to pastel, I would say, than like a super vibrant lime. And I like it. It's been a while since I had some clear sandals. I don't know, I'm like on the fence about clear. I feel like if you're gonna wear a shoe, you might as well make a statement. Why go clear where it just kind of fades into the background? So, you know, I'm still on the fence about clear shoes, but I see that they serve a purpose, because when you don't know what to wear, you can always throw on clear and it's a safe option. I just don't feel like it's necessarily a super stylish option, but I get it. I feel like the heel is very comfortable to wear. The front is a little tight, I'll be honest, and I have a narrow foot. So if you have a foot that's any bigger than narrow, the front of this heel may not be comfortable for you, because it was barely working for me, and I do have a narrow foot. I do like the heel though. The heel is nice and large and chunky and not too tall, which I absolutely love. And I love the fact that it wraps around the ankle all the way around. I thought that was really nice. Cute little handkerchief, scarf top, nothing too crazy to write home about. The strap is elastic, which I thought was great. I was not expecting that, but that is definitely convenient. Love how it's made. It's, you know, white on one side and peach on the other. Looks really cute on. This obviously will be, you know, just cute for vacation or just for, you know, just running around this summer. I think it's really a cute option. I did grab some pasties. These are from Amazon, the pasties that I've been wearing. I absolutely love them. They are reusable. They're not super cheap, but they are reusable. I've been using them for at least a month now, and I love them. And I love how smooth and soft they are. I love that they are not abrasive when you remove them, but they stay sticky and tacky, and they stay on. I also love the texture of them. They have this really nice, like, soft texture, but it also holds the garment in place. So let me take one off. So the texture of it is like this silicone. So it almost has like this stickiness on the outside that allows the clothing to kind of cling to it a little bit. So you don't have to worry about your dress like moving all over the place. So I really love that. These are adhesive Cocoa Nippies Skin by B6. And the color that I have is cocoa, but they do come in several shades of brown. And that's another thing that I love about this. They come in multiple different shades of brown. So I highly recommend this on Amazon. Again, not super cheap, but totally hella worth it. I'll definitely say this is probably my favorite garment of the haul. This is a pretty little gold mustard. I don't know if it's mustard. I guess it's closer to like a gold orangey shade. I love how this dress fits. It just fits bomb. What size is it? It's a small, and it fits amazing. It does have adjustable straps, which I probably should have adjusted a little bit, but I just love the fit on this. It does have a scandalous slit, so you definitely have to make sure you pull it down so the slit doesn't get too outrageous. But I love how it fits on the arm and the sleeves. I love the cleavage area. This dress is very understated. It's not even like that crazy, but I just love how it looks, and it feels amazing, and it doesn't feel cheap. Now, I know I said the last dress was probably my favorite garment of the haul, but this is the most worn garment. I don't know if y'all know this, but if you've been watching me for any length of time, I just can't say no to a brown dress. I have countless of brown dresses in my closet, and I continue to buy them. I just don't know. I love them, so it doesn't matter what it is. If it's a brown dress, it's going to be bought, and it's going to be in heavy rotation. So this next item is just a black ruched, you know, side sleeve. This one's really cute. I love how it fits on. I love the length of it. It's great. I don't have to worry about this riding up when I'm wearing it. And it's just a very simple little number. Wear it to, you know, a quick little dinner, nothing too fancy or crazy. I think it's definitely a cute little dress, and definitely worth the price. Now this is a two-piece set that I do have in another shade. I didn't realize it when I grabbed it, but I do have this in the champagne color. I do believe the champagne color that I have is a size medium, so I was glad to try the size small. I've kind of went down a size. I don't know what's going on, y'all. I got to get my weight back up. I definitely have noticed, like, even in my videos, I'm like, okay, girl, you got to pick up some weight. But yeah, this one is really cute. Loved it in the champagne color, love it in the black. I don't have any bad words to say about it. It's cute. Now this dress I could not figure out how to put on for the life of me. I was putting it on 3 different ways, I could not figure it out. So I'm gonna go back on the website and try to see how the model was wearing it. But yeah, I just could not figure out how to put it on. I think the color is really cute for the summer, but it was annoying because I couldn't figure out how to put this dress on. This one was cute. I don't know why I got this in a medium because I should have gotten it in a small. I think it would have fit better because I actually really like this outfit. This set is super cute, but it was just fitting a little gapey and gappy. I was just hoping it would be a little tighter. So I think I'll probably double back and get this in a small. Oh, maybe I was thinking this is what would match. I was thinking this is what would match, and I didn't even put it together. But yeah, I was thinking this would match. I guess when I put it on, I was so disappointed that I got it in a medium and I should have gotten it in a small that I didn't even look to see how I was supposed to put this outfit together. But I think it was supposed to be this outfit and the clear sandals. And the last outfit is this purple one. As you can see, I definitely like this purple one. I'm still rocking it right now, and I definitely will be getting some wear out of this one. It's a sexy one, so I definitely liked it a lot. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else. If I missed anything or you guys have questions, leave it in the comments down below and I will be sure to get back to you guys. I know I have been on a hiatus a little bit, y'all. There is so much going on in my life right now. Life is absolutely insane. I'm gonna share with you guys a little bit more soon. I'm gonna start back doing our live mukbangs on the weekends, which is, you know, my eating shows with the family. I'm definitely gonna go back to doing that very soon. So yeah, let me know which content you guys want to see from the channel. I'm going to be playing around and trying some different formats and different things just to see, you know, where 2023 takes us. Of course, I know you guys love the crochet videos, so I definitely am going to have a crochet video coming for you guys very soon. Thank you so much for always supporting me and sticking with me through all these years on YouTube. It is not lost on me that you guys have been rocking with me for almost 10 years, which is insane. We're at 72,000 subscribers and I can't even believe it. It's been a long journey, but I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you guys that are here and still rock with me. I appreciate you guys. So the way I finish all my videos, I'm going to end it here. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a clothing haul lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.